All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your phone number to be able to ring only during your working hours. So let's get started on that. On the menu here on the left, I'm going to click on settings down here at the bottom, and then I'm going to click on my profile. Okay, this brings us to our user. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom here, the very bottom. Okay. And then if you see here right at the bottom, it says inbound call routing and only ring during working hours. Okay. So we want to turn this feature on. If you scroll down a little bit more, it'll have a drop down box here for work hours. This is the call routing schedule, and this is only according to your work hours. So your work hours would be this here above. Um, this is if you click on the tab here that says work hours, if you see that I have two tabs here, you can create different types of schedules, and I'll show you that how to do that later in a different video. But make sure that your working hours is selected, so whatever, so that way you can verify the times that's on here. So let's say if let me change this a little bit here so that way you can see a little bit better how this will actually work. So I'm going to change this to 8 and then change this to like 5. And then I'll copy this to the rest of the days. So we'll fix that up there. And then let's see, I'm going to save that. So, but down here is the call routing schedule. So if I click on this drop down, you should be able to see both of the tabs that I have there at the bottom. I mean, at the top above. So you'll see one is according to onboarding schedule, which is another schedule that I had above. And then the other was working hours. So I have mine for working hours. Yours should default to work hours if that's the only schedule that you have set up. But yeah, so this is how this was set up. Now, let's say if someone calls outside of the work hours, what it'll do is go to what your backup settings are. So you need to make sure that your backup settings are set to ring to voicemail if nobody picks up the phone. So that's how that goes. And it says it also right here as well. Unanswered calls go to the phone numbers configure backup just in case you forget. So just make sure that is set up as well.